Hello and welcome to my channel Power Websites. Today I'm just going to quickly run through how to actually get customer information from Shopify's UI extension. So there's a couple of things that you need to do firstly. So I have some code here which basically just queries the customer, gets the ID, and then gets the email address and then the marketing state and also the phone number and then the market state of that phone number. So we just say subscribed or not subscribed, something like that. Which of course this is my query, and then we stringify that, to attach to the body. This is the endpoint that we're hitting, which is the Shopify customer account endpoint. We do this on a try catch. Anyway, this is just a quick rundown of how the query looks like. It's not the main purpose of this video, and then we console log the results. So this is basically the code to run a customer query, get information about customer, and then in your TOML file, make sure that you have the scopes read customers enabled. Now this is two things, but there's also another thing, because when I run this, so here it says customer info. This is just something I wrote here. Over here, so it's not really important. What's important is the console log. So I've tried to console log that result, and then I get this: level unprotected customer data access is required. And then it says, go here for more details. Well, we don't need to do all of that, because what we need to do is log into our partners dashboard and basically allow that access. So I'm going to show you how to do that very quickly, as quick as I can. I'm just logging in to my dashboard. I'll share the screen shortly. Okay, cool. So here we go. So we've got our stuff here. I think we want to go to app distribution. I think it's this one here, PW demo. It's the last one I've installed. Fortunately, I've installed a bunch of apps and deleted them and named them the same names. So anyway, I believe it's this one. Click on that. Good. So we've got here some stuff about the app. Choose distribution. We're not ready to distribute this app, so we don't care about this. But what we do care is, believe is API access request. Allow network access. This is basically if you want to run some fetch operations, like third party. If you want to hit third party APIs, make sure you allow this. I don't think I need that. Get data that you can't currently get from Shopify into checkout and account your extensions. To use network access, your app must use network calls and maintain a fast and whatever. Request additional scopes API. We don't need that. Protected customer data access. Here we go. So we're not going to have to read all of that. So we just go request access. Now we're getting into it. So if you just select here and then you give them the reason of why you want to do it, this is for app functionality. So this should allow me to request to get the customer data. And then there's more stuff here that you can add, which is like name and stuff like that. So if we just say, yeah, we want a name for app functionality, so yes. Email, we'll say yes. I think we need this other stuff. I think actually, yeah, we do have a phone in there. App functionality again. And then you might just add that in there. Why not? Cool. So we've got this, and then it says you have 0 out of 6 questions complete. So we need to complete this stuff. I've got to provide the details for it. So I would read through all of this. I have done before. But for this purpose, I'm not going to go through everything. So yes, 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 yes. It's all a bunch of legal stuff, and then like, how do you say, terms of use? Maybe terms of use, make sure that you're not abusing the information you're getting. But this is just for the purpose of the video, so I would honestly answer these. And here we go. Okay, so now we've got all of that stuff in there. We answered all of our questions. We've got our protected customer data access. All that stuff is set up. Now, go back. Okay, so hopefully this should work. So maybe we'll try to run that later. It still says access denied. Oh, okay. This one, it says you need customer read customers, which is good. I forgot about this. You need this access scope as well. Where is it? Here it is. Oh, you know what? I know exactly what that scope is. Don't need to copy and paste that. Customer. No, read customers. Yeah, good stuff. Good stuff. Just double checking if that's the exact. Yep. All right, so let's run this one more time. This should do the trick. Maybe we need to deploy it. If we need to deploy, we'll deploy it. Let's see. Let's check it together now. Get rid of this guy. Open this one. Hopefully we get a nice console log. Here we go. And there it is. We get customer information. I don't need to show you the rest of that stuff, and there you go. That's what you need to do. I'm new to this, so I hope that's been helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, please. Thank you for watching.